Y'all, I'm about to do a car tour of my new whip alert. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my car. Gotta clean it out first. Actually, I should have cleaned it out. I might show y'all the cleaning out process because it was clean, but you know, when you got kids, it get dirty, and you know, you gotta keep your car clean. But yeah, I'm waiting on some stuff I ordered for my car to come in, so when I decorate it, I'll show y'all that too. Y'all, it's so freaking funny, y'all. I backed into something. I had backed into something. Well, I ain't backed into something. I had backed into like the curb, and it had like messed up my muffler. So now my car making this irritating sound. But after I listen to my podcast, yeah, everybody jam.
Really made.
So we had to stop. We made a pit stop to eat some Wednesdays. It's nice.
How old are you?
That's yours. Here, Yaya.
Yaya, you're awake, so. I am not food.
Table. Oh, yeah. Good, y'all.
Okay.
I didn't make it to the car wash yet. But we is going. Had to get my energy up before I got there. Be back over. Be back after we finish eating. I'm probably going to go to the car wash. So. Yeah, when your camera dirty, hold on. So, excuse me. Man, my camera still look dirty. Looks like I gotta make a phone call, guys. So I'll be right back. So I can find out where the car wash at. Cause for some reason, your girl just like riding around trying to figure out stuff and don't even be knowing nothing. So when I get the address, okay, y'all. So we done made it to the car wash. Finally, y'all. We done went the whole wrong way. We was in the desert, ain't it, Abby?
Yeah.
We've been far. We was lost, y'all. But we in the car wash now. So yeah.
Pretty. Look at it right here. It's green right here. I think. Yeah. It's all green and stuff. But now it's washing. Like that sound?
Could have been listening to music, but somebody sucks as a DJ. Y'all, but this is why I gotta clean my car right. Y'all see how they do my car? Genesis, say hey to the vlog.
AJ on the beat.
Back, I'm gonna start throwing everything in the trunk. So that's what I do when I clean my car on. So y'all, can y'all help me put anything that's not trash in the trunk, please? Yeah. And thank you. All right, y'all, we be right back.
Really made.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Riley and I'm back with another freaking video, y'all. Today I'm gonna be giving y'all my car tour, so come on. Alright, Abby. Y'all, I did not get to end my car tour yesterday, so yeah, that pretty much sums up my car tour. I am gonna get stuff for my car, like seat covers, steering wheel covers, probably a gear shift changer. Like, I'm gonna be jewelling my car, I'm gonna do all that. But like I said, I'm waiting for stuff to come, and then when I get that stuff, I'm gonna do like an exclusive car tour, because y'all know I gotta do that. But yeah, y'all, this pretty much sums up this vlog. I'll be seeing y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, do all that, y'all, because I'm gonna be coming with more videos in clutch, and I'm gonna be more consistent now because I'm settled. So yeah, stay tuned for that, y'all. Peace. I'm out.